In this video, I show you how to change the font in Zoho Books to give your documents a more professional and personalized look. Once you're logged into your Zoho Books account, head to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, scroll down to the customization section and select PDF templates. Here you'll see different modules like invoices, estimates, and quotes. Choose the module you'd like to customize and click the edit button on the template you want to modify. Inside the template editor, look to the left sidebar and click General. Scroll down until you find the font section. Then open the PDF font drop-down. You'll now see a list of available fonts. Pick one that matches your brand style, whether it's clean and modern or classic and formal. Once you've selected your font, click Save to apply your changes. From now on, all documents created under that module will use your newly chosen font. And that's it. You've successfully changed the font in Zoho Books. It's a simple tweak, but it makes your business documents stand out and look more professional. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Zoho tutorials.